I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad. And this is our channel. I'll need to move this over just enough to get that. How's it going? Doing good, man. Ready to see this motor.
Oh, you're gonna see the box.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That'll be good enough for us.
So it automatically leaks.
Why they what?
Put the filter up like that so it automatically leaks when you change it. It is right side up.
Yeah, because here's your fill tube, so yeah. So I guess you got to put something under it
Yeah.
to catch everything.
Yeah, I got that. And that's on the back side next to the firewall.
Well, surely they make something that you can stick under here.
Well, I'm sure they do. They just want. I don't.
I guess everything's in there. I don't know. Sure. See if we got a packing list. Sweet. Does each one of these have a packing list?
This has a
Okay.
maybe.
Oh, sweet. Oh, what you got there, Brittany? You have no idea, do you?
I know air goes through there.
Ooh, good job. Every car has one. Well, sort of.
It puts air in there to cool the engine down.
To cool it down?
A fuel injection.
There you go. Puts air to cool the engine down. Eh.
It needs air, right?
Well, yeah, but that goes over the cylinders.
Oh,
What's that?
an alternator?
Yeah, good job. Hey, I just need to let you put it together. Plain powder.
Plasma 3 CDI modules.
Okay, I think it's these right here, Dad.
There's supposed to be 2 of them.
What's their gum in there?
Yeah, Plasma 3 CD ignition modules, 4-cylinder, 2 times 2.
Primary ignition wires.
It's terrible only having one hand to work with, or one good hand. These, whenever we flew the one at Rans, these are mounted on the inside of the firewall. So they had them mounted like this on the firewall.
Primary ignition wire assembly.
Uh-oh, there's a little bend right here. Should be able to bend that back. These right here. duckbill pliers go? Okay, do you need a pen to
I just need to find all this.
double check everything once we find it? Here.
This one's got plasma bottom.
Should be able to take those pliers and bend that back. You find it?
Well, no.
Coaxial cable.
Here's a DC mini assembler. Assembly, that's good. Supposed to be 2 of them.
Here, Brittany, open this up. Just be careful when you cut it open.
That was pointless.
2 of them.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, sweet, they're already terminated.
DC, that's the DC mini sensor assemblies.
Yeah.
They soldered them. Cool. Okay. Put all that back so we know what's what.
All right, outfit connector wiring kit, dual pre-wire, interconnect.
Well, here,
There's that. Dual ignition indicator lights,
see 'em.
2 of them. Primary ignition coil wire. Four of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. High tension leads.
Better known as spark plug wires.
I'm just trying to find.
Oh, sweet. Are these? No, these are MSD. Nice.
Trying to find this high tension lead. High tension lead.
How many are there?
Should be 8. Good. Two per cylinder for redundancy.
Ignition coil. Is that that?
Yep.
There should be 2 pairs. 2 times 8.2 ignition coil.
Yeah, there's 2 of them.
2 pairs?
Yeah, 2 pair.
Okay.
Or a pair. Let me find. Here's the other pair. Here.
Okay. I haven't found the wires yet.
Oh, spark plug adapter. Why don't they just use a bigger spark plug or a smaller hole? So here's spark plug adapters and copper gaskets.
All the plugs already in.
Oh, here's a spark plug adapters, copper gaskets, 8.
That's what he's got right there.
Yep.
And spark plugs.
You got spark
8.
plugs?
It should be in the motor.
Well, that's what I thought.
Did they give us
Trying to find spark plugs.
we already had them. Here's the spark plugs. Why do we have adapters for? That's weird. This will have to. Why do they give us adapters when the spark plugs are already in? Doesn't make any sense.
So there's high tension lead 20 inches, quantity 2.
Okay, got that one.
High tension lead 22 inch, quantity 1.
I'm looking for a mini sensor mounting bracket, small journal, mini sensor mounting bracket, bolts and washers.
Is that a?
That's an alternator mount.
Yeah, but that's all we have left is this stuff.
Mag hole cover plate.
Might already be on the
Well,
engine.
it may be, cause like those spark plugs, they're on.
Yeah. I'm sure that's whatever covers up where the magnetos went. So like wherever a distributor would have went.
Do not use synthetic or semi-authentic synthetic oil or additive in this engine until oil consumption stabilizes.
Yeah, they want you to, for the rings to seat, I think, or that's how it was on the motor for my Camaro.
The 27 inch.
So they're letting you know that it's gonna burn oil.
High tension lead, 27 inches.
Right, we got Magnum PI in here. Oh no.
Do you want to leave this in here?
No, let's take that out.
Timing magnet ring, 4-cylinder, 22-degree timing each include.
I bet that's already on the engine. That's gonna be what the ignition reads.
Mag hole cover plate.
I bet wherever those magnetos go, I bet you they go somewhere here or something.
So that's cover plate.
That's some sort of cover plate, and here's a cover plate here, and here's one here. That might be where it goes.
Okay.
Because that looks kind of a afterthought. Yeah, they wouldn't just leave it open. They sent us a Volkswagen motor. Yeah, that magnet's gonna be something around the crank. This is it. Looks like it right here. So you see this ring in here inside the.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you'll have something that attaches here that will count. When these magnets come across, it lets it know, the ignition know where the motor is, or where the cranking is. So the ring's in there, but you need some sort of sensor. That just looks like a mount for the that's alternator stuff. That's
Yeah, that came with the alternator.
yeah, that's all alternator stuff. So we're looking for a little sensor eye.
Well, didn't Dad,
What are they calling it? Mini sensor mounting bracket, small journal, mini sensor bracket, bolts, time and magnet ring. That's already on there.
Here's a mini sensor assembly. We already looked in this,
I
didn't
already
we?
looked in
Where's a mini sensor assembly?
Mini sensor assembly kit. There's 2 in there.
You checked this off already?
Mm-hmm. Because it's just this.
Yeah, there's your sensors right there. It's like a magnet. So I guess that plugs into the ignition box.
So which one is that of this?
So that'll go around that like that.
Here's the one I checked off, DC mini sensor.
Okay, so the only thing we have, that the mounting bracket is already there,
Okay.
but mounting bolts and washers. See, the mounting bracket, I guess there's 2 of them. Maybe one for the cam and one for the crank. See, no, you're gonna have 2 because you got 2 ignition boxes. So here's one of the mounts right here. Maybe that's both of the
One
mounts.
on the other side?
Oh, there's one on the bottom?
Yes.
Okay, yep. Okay,
Thank you.
so the ring and the, that's to hold, there's your screws right there.
Okay, it just says mounting.
Yeah, here's your-
magnet ring.
The ring's on it
Okay,
already.
that's-
Here's your
that's all
screws to hold these on.
6-time magnet ring mounting screws.
You got, well, they're already holding the ring onto the motor.
Okay.
Then you have these to hold your sensor on.
All right, so we got the mag hole cover plate. Those
Yep.
are already on there. Mounting sensor bracket bolts and washers, 6 pair. I guess that's what,
Consisting of 1 hex head cap screw. Yeah, the mini sensor bracket bolts and washers, it's already bolted to the motor, so those are already on there.
okay.
Yeah, the sensor, the bracket's already on there. The mounting bolts are already on there. Timing magnet rings on there. Yeah,
we've got
we should
everything.
have everything. But what about this carburetor or
This came
whatever
in
it's
this
called?
box. So this doesn't say anything about that.
That's what it came with right here, so it might be.
Yeah, that's the gaskets and everything.
Okay, now there's another hole.
Or did they just to take the tape come off that?
No, it's
Oh.
over here.
Well, they got another piece of tape put on that one.
Cool.
Yeah, that's mounting stuff for the alternator.
All right, so now we just need to wiggle our noses and make it go on the airplane.